So here's the Volkswagen ID4 2022, and it already has a hitch installed. However, there's no electrical connection made. I'm going to install that, which requires nothing more than a T25 head on the screw head, and we'll take those 4 bolts out that are underneath. Let me see if I can get in there correctly. I hope there's enough light to get this piece out right here. I guess we can move this plate. So once the cover is removed, there is the wiring harness connected. There's a red clip on it, where there you push on that, which removes the ability to remove the plate right here that I have in my hand. Opens this up, and then you can just remove this part right here, the cover plate. It's a bit of a challenge, but it's doable. Alright, so it's kind of hard because your hands is in the way, but we'll do our best here. So it's in there now, right? Connected. Click. Go ahead. Don't tighten it all the way. No. Okay, now let's. Ja, ik denk met deze. Ja. That's it, right? So when you have it finally installed, this is the end result. That you can open the cover like this, and that should take the plug, 7-pin plug. And now we're going to install this part, which should be pretty easy. And, like many people already did it who have used hitches before. Ik wil het niet uitzitten. Am I filming it? I'm looking at something else. Well, you can turn it upside down, but I can make it lower. No, that pin is okay.
No, I'm looking for the actual entry hole. I don't see it. Oh, it's gewoon zo.
Alright, all done. This is the end result. Installed hitch on the Volkswagen.